Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, why not? But you know how to. And that is to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we are opening up my favorite box. Y'all know this is my favorite. I love me some CURLBOX. I'm a little skeptical this month because the box is so light, but they never let me down. So for those of you who are not familiar with CURLBOX, it is $30 per month, and the $30 is $25 for the products and $5 for shipping, okay? And it's always a plethora of products. 99.9% of the time, they are full-size items. They even include from time to time some tools, okay? So I'm so ready to find out what's in here. Like I told you, it's a little lighter than I ever remember. So let's just check and see, okay? Okay. Wait till you see why this is so light. So, the first thing we have when we open up our box is the description card. How about that? Okay. And the theme for this month is Beat the Heat. All right. And this is gorgeous. I understand why it's so lightweight, okay? So the description card says, beat the heat with these humidity resistant stylers from one and only Argan Oil. Keep curls defined and perfectly in place with strengthening argan oil, coconut oil, and vitamin E. If humidity is the bane of your curl existence, mind these tips to avoiding frizz and keeping your curls from ultimately reversing. Okay, so, and of course we have our monthly CURLBOX Hey Curlfriend card, but let's jump right in. So, let's see, be strategic about wash day is how it starts off. So, if scorching temps are ahead, try washing your curls at least 2 or 3 days before the hottest days of the week to allow your curls to set and maintain definition. Use a combo of your one and only Argan Oil Zero Fuss Styling Balm, a lightweight texturizing balm, along with your one and only Argan Oil Zero Fuss Styling Cream. Okay, so styling balm is this lime green one, and the styling cream is this tan or orange shade, okay? So let's see here. Okay, they all say zero fuss, but this one is a 4.5 fluid ounce size on the styling balm and 4 ounce size on the styling cream. Now, the styling cream says for coarse, kinky, and curly hair. All right, and it says directions. Day 1, apply to towel dried hair. Day 2, apply to dry hair to refresh your style. Do not apply near eyes or on irritated skin. And It says enhance natural curls with this leave-in definition and styling cream, or create an undone look. Okay, provides light, flexible hold. This one, light, flexible hold. Now, the green one, which is the styling balm, says enhances natural shape, texture, wave, and curl. Use on day 1 to form desired style, refreshes and restyles on day 2. And it says its lightweight formula delivers an all-day hold and flexibility. Add smoothness and shine. Apply on day 1. Apply to towel-dried hair. Air dry. On day 2, it says apply to dry hair to refresh and revitalize your style. Same warnings on this one. Okay. Then it says use a finishing wax spray. Where we're fans of a holding spray in the spring and summer months, it's perfectly fine to just use a bit on your curls after styling to help create an anti-humidity shield. Your one and only Argan Oil Zero Fuss Spray Wax is a unique finishing wax spray that holds curls and styles in place with a satiny sheen. Use on flyaways, 2-strand twists, and fresh finger styles and protective styles. Okay, and that would be this one, the one in the light with the light blue packaging. This one is a 5.2 ounce size, and also cruelty free. And it says it is for all hair types. Tousled piercy texture with satin finish. Okay, it says add soft dimension and texture with all day hold. No sticky feel. That's a big deal right there. Spray on dry hair for long lasting texture, finish, and hold. That's this one right here. Then it says use a weightless leave-in to refresh. Swap out your usual leave-in for a light, priming leave-in conditioner that helps maintain definition throughout the day. Your one and only Argan Oil Zero Fuss Coarse Frizzy Hair Primer is a light leave-in conditioner and detangler that preps your kinks, curls, and weaves for easy styling. This amazing formula fights humidity and silkens hair after conditioning or whenever you need a refreshing spritz. And that is this one here, the one with the lavender shade on it. And this one is a 5 fluid ounce size. And even though it does have that tube look, it's a pump spray, okay? So, let's see. For waxy and curly or damaged frizz-prone hair. Prep hair for any style. This multitasking, paraben-free leave-in priming treatment weightlessly conditions, detangles, and smooths hair on day 1. Humidity-resistant formula instantly locks in hair's texture, moisture, and tames frizz. Alrighty, now this is interesting. Y'all know I am a big proponent of checking for expiration dates. Now, The only one that does not have an expiration date is this item right here. All the rest of them have an expiration date of 12 months. Now, what I did notice is they all, even though they aren't in a tube formula, they have either a pump top or a spritz top. Then there's still more in this box, okay? Now, then this is what made this package so light. This is the one and only powder hair color kit. Wow, I am so here for this. I have two. One in the shade chocolate brown and the other one in the shade of black. Okay? Now, our description card says, go against the trends and consider rocking a darker hue in the spring and summer months. If you're wanting more of a deep color this season, we've got you covered with two gorgeous hair colors. Your one and only powder hair color kit in black is a permanent ammonia-free hair powder that delivers brilliant shine, sans damage, with the easy addition of water. Okay, this gorgeous black shade covers grays perfectly. We've also included your one and only powder hair color kit, chocolate in brown, a warm shade that delivers a velvety chocolate hue. Nice. This says, okay, I'm going to show you this one. I'm going to read from the other one. It says no ammonia, one application. Now, believe it or not, it says these are one kit uses. I'm not opening it because I'm not ready to use it, and I'm not sure how it's going to appear. But what I will do is I'm going to go online and I'm going to see if there is indeed a picture of what the inside actually looks like. I some kind of way feel I want to say like a tray. And it does have a resealable top, okay, which is quite interesting when it says this is a one use or one application, okay? But I'm very interested to try it. I saw it had some grays around my edges, so it's kind of time. It's kind of time. Plus, in the summertime, I'm here for the ponytails and for my braids, so I can put my braids in a ponytail. But I'm just saying, okay? So these are the items that were included in this month's CURLBOX, okay? And down below you will see the manufacturer suggested retail price for all the items that were enclosed, okay? Now, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. And when I use these items, I will let you know. I will show you exactly how it came out, okay? Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time,